Good morning, everyone. Good morning to our lecturer, Insinyur Michelle Harjo Prawito Mercardo. Today, we will discuss one of Indonesia's most strategic multinational investment, HLI Green Power, a joint venture between Hyundai Motor Group and LG Energy Solution. So, this investment addresses a critical business gap, the growing demand for electric vehicle batteries, and the needs for a secure nickel supply chain. Through Indonesia Industrial Policy, this project combines a global business strategy with a national industrial development. To understand this gap from different perspectives, let's join the executive meeting involving the corporate executive, government official, and industry expert. Okay, good morning everyone. Thank you for joining today's strategic discussion. As representative of HLI Green Power, we appreciate the opportunity to discuss our investment strategy in our Indonesia and how this project creates value not only for our company but also for Indonesia and its stakeholders. So before we move into the strategic analysis, allow me to briefly introduce who we are. So, I'm from HLE. Green Power is a joint venture established by Hyundai Motor Groups and LG Energy Solution, which is company holding a 50% ownership stakes. These partnerships combine Hyundai expertise in electric vehicle with LG Energy Solution advanced battery technology that allowing us to build a competitive and integrated EV battery ecosystem. So it's began with the groundbreaking ceremony in 2021, attended by President Joko Widodo, making Indonesia's entry into the vehicle battery industry. So today, our facility is in Karawang. It's already reached a production capacity of 10 gigawatt hours per year, which is enough to supply batteries for approximately 150,000 electric vehicles annually. Looking ahead, both companies have committed a long-term investment of nearly to 9 billion US dollar to develop a EV supply chain in Indonesia. So before discussing the strategy, it is important to understand the stakeholders involved. So the commercial actors include Hyundai Motor Group, LG Energy Solution, and Indonesia Battery Corporation. Meanwhile, in the Indonesian government, local communities and NGO and environmental organizations represent non-commercial actors. Finally, experts and research institutions provide independently analysis to ensure that business decisions align with sustainable development. The success of this project depends on balancing the interests of all the stakeholders. So that's it for the stakeholders. So we're gonna next to slide 5 is about why Hyundai choose Indonesia. So from Hyundai perspective, Indonesia offers several strategic advantages. First, Indonesia has the largest nickel reserve in the world, ensuring long-term security or battery raw materials. Second, Karawang already has a mature automotive manufacturing ecosystem supported by ports, highway, and industry infrastructure. And third, Indonesia is strategically located in ASEAN, allowing us to reduce logistic costs to reserve regional market efficiently. Therefore, investing in Indonesia strengthens our global competitive while reducing dependencies on external suppliers. Okay, the next is the value chain. So this value chain is illustrates how the value is created from mining to global market. So the process begins with nickel mining in Sulawesi. Instead of exporting raw ore, the nickel is processed domestically into battery materials. These materials are then transported to HLR Green Power in Karawang for battery cell production before finally being assembled into Hyundai electric vehicle. The key takeaway is that every additional process stage generates higher economic value. This is why Indonesia implemented its downstream policy to retain more value inside the country rather than exporting raw resource. Okay. Next, so we have another things is called Portafai Forest. Maybe you all already know about Portafai Forces. So using Portafai Forces, we identify several competitive pressure. So supply power is very high because access to nickel is controlled by the Indonesian government. And then rivalry is also instance, particularly against global competitors such as CATL, BID, and Panasonic. So at the same time, LFP battery technology present a substitute rate because it requires less nickels. Despite these challenges, high investment costs and advanced technological requirements create strong barriers to entry, protecting long-term competitiveness. Next, another important aspect is the balance of authority. Hyundai headquarters in South Korea controls technology development, capital investment, research, and global quality standards. Meanwhile, Indonesia provides investment incentives, environmental regulation, local workforce, and access to strategic resources. Through this partnership, both parties share responsibilities while working toward a common objective. This power sharing model demonstrates how multinational cooperation collaborate with host countries to achieve mutual benefit. And slide 9, downstream policy. Okay. Okay. Actually, this slide is made by one of our team in the company. So, this already made based on the government material and the export material. So, I let the government to continue the presentation, but the government perspective.
Yes, thank you. The from government is perspective. This is investment is not only about attracting foreign capital. Our primary objective in industrial transformation since 220, Indonesia has prohibited the export of raw nickel ore to current domestic processing. By moving further along the value chain, Indonesia can generate higher add value, create employment opportunities, and stabilize its as Southeast Asia EV manufacturing hub. Next, to support this investment, the government provide tax incentive, industry zone, and infrastructure development. We also recommend compliance with the TKDN or location content requirement to ensure local industry participation in the supply chains. Our goal is not only to attract investment but also to ensure that Indonesian workers and business receive long-term benefit through technology transfer and industrial upgrading. Next, regional government official. Indonesia greatest regional asset is abundant nickel reserves. However, natural resources alone cannot guarantee sustainable prosperity. They must be transformed into regional development through infrastructure, employment, technology transfer, and local supplier growth. Therefore, successful downstream industrialization not convert natural asset into long-term national competitive. Next, Porter German government official. Uh, Porter Diamond model further explain Indonesia competitive advance. Our factor condition include All factor condition include abundant nickel resource, competitive labor costs, and industry infrastructure. Demand for EVs continues interest both domestic and global, supporting industrial source as meaning smelting, logistic, and automatic manufacture strengthen this ecosystem. Finally, a government policy play an active role in the creating an attractive investment climate. Government while two opportunity are significant, there are also important social responsibility that must be addressed.
Okay, it's nice to see the government um, opinion about this business, and maybe I will let the expert to continue how to prevent this and how is the strategy is the best strategy and option for us from Hyundai and government. So I let the expert, Mr. Randy, to presenting about his opinion about this. Okay, Mr. Randy.
Thank you. Adopt this investment offers significant economic benefit. It also introduces several social and political risks. Environmental consequences to nickel mining and smelter emission remain major issues. Local communities may experience land use conflict and environmental impacts. In addition, the employment of foreign workers has generated public debate regarding knowledge transfer and local workforce opportunities. The These challenges and directly affect Hyundai SSG reputation if not managed responsibility. Next, to reduce the risk will recommended for key mitigation strategies. First, establish transparent supply chain traceability to ensure responsibly sourced nickel. Second, strengthen CSR program for focusing on environmental protection and community development. Did invest in local workforce training to reduce dependence on foreign labor. Finally, maintain a continuous collaboration between corporation, government, and local stakeholders. Together, these strategies support long-term sustainable investment. Next. Bringing everything together, we can see a clear strategic flow. Indonesia business opportunity attracted multinational investment, government policies enabled the downstream industrialization, the created regional development, which must be supported by social responsibility to ensure long-term community defense. Overall, the integration of value chain, force authority level, regional development, and Diamond theory demonstrates that business success depends on balancing economic, political, and social interests.
Okay, thank you for the expert for the strategy, for the opinion, and how to maintain that business to make both of us from the Hyundai and government make benefit, and then so for me, for Hyundai and LG, Indonesia secures sustainability battery supply chain. That's for me. Okay, maybe for the government.
Government, for Indonesia, this investment accelerate industrial development, technology transfer, and job creation.
Okay, thank you for the government. Now, maybe I want to hear some from the expert. Maybe there any less words to discuss?
Expert and for society, sustainable growth can only be achieved when environmental, economic, and social responsibilities are managed together.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for the meeting, everyone. Thank you for your time. Thank you
Thank
for the
you.
government, Edward, Mr. Edward. Thank you for
Thank you.
the expert, Randy, Mr. Randy, for the strategic. And then I'll say thank you, everyone. For after this meeting, we'll discuss more about the result of this meeting with my team and with my company. Maybe we will make the next meeting again. Okay.
Yes, of
Okay. Thank
course.
you, everyone.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.